Morning team, it's Thursday, August 31st. It's last day of the month and my last trading day of the week, because Friday I don't trade in summer. And also tomorrow it's NFP, which well, if you trade London Open you should be kind of safe, but yeah. Anyway, today we got news. We got news in New York, and also we got red in for FX Street. We got red now for Frankfurt Open, and something in London Open. So should be a pretty eventful day, I think. But let's have a look at charts. So weekly bullish of the block is doing his job. This is a nice push, like 1.5% push. It's relevant on euro. Yes, but now we are approaching the bearish or the block, so we are in an interesting area, because this is clearly like look on the 3-day charts. You can clearly see this is a bearish of the block. Okay, this one is the one that broke this structure, which is the structure that pushed 444 pips. So I think this one should offer something. I don't know if it's gonna make new lows, if it gives up, but we are at resistance somehow. So what do I see on a daily chart? I see this beautiful daily untested order block, which is beautiful because it's big week, means big rejection. And it's completely untested. It was tested here after the structure gave up, was tested here, the origin, you know, the full bearish origin, but never the bearish of the block. So yeah, I don't know if we're gonna push till here or we're gonna release a little bit of this push from the last 2 days. But yeah, once we get into this bearish of the block, you really need to be aware if you are longing, unless your strategy is like, I don't know. Anyway, let's have a look to H12. Yesterday I said that this one was untested and I wanted some reaction. Instead, once again, they completely pushed. Well, here, with this example, they closed above. Here they failed to close above, and now they are raiding. Yeah, this is kind of valid rejection, because was slightly tested, not enough, and now it's fully mitigated. So yes, I can see some bearishness here soon, you know. Now we took liquidity of a daily swing high. Is this a daily? Yes, of a daily swing high. This is a D1 swing high inside a rejection, and we are we are kind of rejecting now. I would love if we go higher, but doesn't mean that we need to go higher today. Can easily go tomorrow with news, or who knows. Anyway, I'm not saying it's bearish. I just say we took liquidity and now rejecting a little bit. The problem is that all the other time frames at H1 and H4 are still bullish. Look at this close. This is a bullish close. They clearly pushed to close above this one. So once again, this resistance completely violated. What you want to do out of it? Nothing. I think if I show you now on H1, should be a breaker. Yesterday I wanted longs. I tried to long here and I was too early, and I fucked up because I should have known better. They just rerun Asia low, which was this one. They rerun it and then they took off. Instead I tried to long in the middle of here. I think it was here where I tried to long. After this push, I think I saw some raid here and I tried to long. I got stopped and then took off. It is what it is. What I was saying, that yeah, I'm still bullish. I don't see any reason to become too bearish too soon. I don't know. Now that this what I wanted to mark out, I think this one, This bearish should block. If you want, make it like this, week to week. Sorry, I took cold yesterday. I think this one is kind of apologize. This one is kind of a bullish breaker now. I don't know if we dump in this area, but if we do, I would love to look for longs in this area as a sponsorship. It's below the 50%. It's an untested breaker, because look at why I like this one, because look, price here dumped. They kind of saved in the support, and then someone here really make it dumped like a lot, like 80 pips. So looks to me like a breaker. I love this kind of levels in discount. If we ever go back down here, I will look for longs. I still think we can push higher. I don't know if we're gonna dump straight up. Let's go to look. Yeah, this one is the same level I just marked out. Yeah, I was looking at possible resistance on H1. All the area is kind of worked. Well, it doesn't mean that if we go higher, there is no resistance. There are resistances, but I don't know. The cleanest H1 untested is this one to my eyes, with some fair value gap below, and it's like way above. Still like a lot. Yeah, like another 80 pips. Too much to go so soon. Anyway, yeah. Right now I'm 15 is still up. I know we are printing kind of lower lows and lower highs on low time frame, but this is Asia. I don't trust it. I like the fair value gap confluent with the hourly breaker I mentioned. And I don't know. If I see some bullishness in this area, I'm gonna seek longs. At least until this untested resistance, or who knows. When I'm gonna be wrong, yes, well, if we start to close below these inside candles, which you know I love a lot, and probably means that we are gonna go lower. But I don't see any reason to look for shorts yet, unless it's for a scalp for like 2-3 hours. I can take a short, you know. I don't know. If I see something so stupid like this, I can take a short. Has to be a quick play, 15 pips, 2 hours in and out. I'm still bullish, heavily bullish. After such pushes, I need at least hourly to say something about shorts. I cannot short like blindly like this. I need hourly sponsorship, and hourly sponsorship for me means something like this. On hourly chart, we make a new high, and then we BMS heavily, and then maybe I can look for shorts. You know, something like that. Okay, I mean, or else I think we're gonna go higher. Yeah, this should be like a low resistance liquidity run. Anyway, that's enough for me today. Sorry, really got bad. I'm gonna post more charts later in the Telegram group, and I'm gonna see you Monday, because this weekend I go to watch MotoGP in Barcelona, so I'm not going to be around. And I wish you all a nice end of the week, and speak to you Monday. Bye.